Hi everyone, so today we got 21.4.15.8 and this was dramatically what happened to me when I took it out for a test drive to see what updates we got, and you're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help. Watch right now for Mal's Tesla update.
Hi everyone, if it's your first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So what do you get in this update? Well, as you can see, again, they say it's cold weather starts. So I thought, you know what, I'll take it out. I needed to take it to a supercharger anyway to give it a charge. So on the motorway, I'm taking it along and look what happens. You'll see the white car decides, mind his own business, so he's following the flow of traffic there on his lane. My car takes it out of the lane and puts it behind him, which is fine. And then the car in front, so that's two cars away from my car, the black car decides he's missed his junction, he's gonna pull out into the motorway, not leaving the car white behind enough time, because he brakes severely, the car in front, the black. And as you see, look what happens. He's braked, the car pulls out to speed off in the motorway, leaving me to smash into the back of the car. And what happens? Wow, it's there, isn't it? I'm safe. The car brakes, slows down, and no one has an accident, and I continue. That's how good full self-driving is. What they've done here as well is, this is a mod that's happened. If you look at the previous update they did, with the new software 2021.4.15.6, when you press the open button, it keeps the trunk open, and now you can't close it. And the only way you can close it, you see the button's grayed out and you can't push the button from the screen, and the only way you can do it is with the old-fashioned button that you put there. Now what's happened now in this update is it's gone back to what it was previously and allowed it to do the very thing that it didn't do before. So as you see, you push the button like so, the trunk does a little dance, it goes down, but it's really open, and now it leaves the button ready to be pressed again, so you can repress it like so, and now it will close it, which is work. But Tesla Offer, who makes that trunk, said to me there is an update they're going to send me, and I'm going to do a video on this, but it'll have more features than it's got now. So it's a much better facility. Even though I have the unit, by updating it, it's going to be much better. So we'll bring a video out into that. Well, it was a short video today, wasn't it? But not to worry about that. There is going to be another one coming out, which will be .17. Hopefully that one will be more intuitive to what we expect. There's going to be a lot of things with that, so we'll look at that when that comes out. But until the next time, I look forward to seeing you on then. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.